Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. This is something I've wanted to say for a few months now. I've been working on getting this review set up, and it finally has happened. This is the 2022 Ferrari 296 GTB. First of all, here's the key. First of all, this is just, I'm giddy, I'm shaking. This is all glass. You can see into the engine bay. Sure nobody's coming. Look at this. A little bit of a step to get in. I'm a heavier set American. What can you expect? So, close that. And you are inside. I've driven the Roma. I've driven the Portofino M. Interior is very, very similar to that. But the materials in here are phenomenal. This has the carbon bucket seats, passenger display. Actually, I forgot. It has a little cubby for the seat right there. So, we're driving in race mode. That's what it was on. I'm gonna leave it there. With the hybrid system in race, or performance I should say, you also have qualify, you have hybrid, and you have e-drive, but that wakes that up. Looks like your wiper controls, headlights, but without further ado, gonna do that. Where's the e-brake? There you go. Let's take this, oh, that's all carbon fiber. Let's take this thing out for a drive. I said it'd be back in 15, so. So this is the first production Ferrari with a V6. The Dino, remember, was not a Ferrari. It was, but it wasn't. This is also one of the first production Ferraris, other than the SF and the LaFerrari, with hybridization. So how does that relay? This thing is a heck of a lot of fun to drive. In fact, it may be my new favorite Ferrari that I've driven. And I've driven the Pista. I've driven the 458. This thing is so good. I mean, so they call this the Piccolo V12. And guys, does that not sound like a V12? This thing, oh, you can just see the heat radiating off the back of it. Oh my God. These paddle shifters, man. This is, oh. There's no turbo lag. Guys, there's none. I mean, that hybrid system fills in right away. There's no turbo lag. This is, oh, it's sensational. Absolutely sensational. One of the best driving Ferraris I've ever driven. This is on par with the GT3 RS for being so connected. Throttle response, brilliant. Brakes are phenomenal. Steering, it's so... Did you see that? It's so direct. Wow, they're good. We'll say we're fresh out of winter here. It's a little bumpy on these roads. And this is a car I do not want to damage. The Piccolo V12. Nope, nope. Stop. Ah, okay. This is what happens. That's good aircon. That's what happens when I don't take time to actually learn the car first. These touch sensitive? Yeah. Oh, that's a nice hidden little vent. Holy crap! Oh my God! Oh! That is one of the fastest cars I've ever driven. Whew. Okay. That is hands down one of the best. One of the best. This thing on a track would be a weapon. And then if you want things to quiet down, hybrid. Oh, where's the fun in that? Nope, I don't want qualify. And then when you're just kind of cruising, if I were to put this in auto, It's a normal car. Yeah, no, it doesn't feel normal. It doesn't look normal. Everything about this doesn't feel normal. The fact that I'm driving this doesn't feel normal to me. It's so weird that I've almost gotten used to cars like this. I'm almost gotten used to driving these kind of cars. And that's so weird to say. Because these cars are so much fun and they're so unique. And I was worried when I drove this car that it wasn't gonna feel like the Ferraris of past. And it really doesn't. What it does, it takes the best things of those cars and turns it up to 11.5. Because this performance, like I said, this is one of the fastest cars I've ever driven. At least it feels like that. And yes, I know, I probably could have gone for some of these gaps, but guys, this is a car that the value scares me. Oh, that starts right up. And then hybrid. That's unique. I like that. I probably would never drive the car like that, but to say that you can, it's pretty darn cool. Alright, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe so I can do more videos like this. And I will see you all, oh, forgot that goes up there, in the next video.